Before we begin this video journey on infusions, I wanted to let you know I post herbal quiz questions every morning under the community tab. Use these to check your knowledge, learn about new herbs, and have fun. An infusion is one of the simplest and most effective ways to extract the beneficial properties of herbs. By soaking herbs in water or oil, we allow their active compounds to be drawn out into the liquid, making it easier to use and absorb. Infusions are commonly used in teas, tinctures, oils, and even in cosmetic formulations like salves and creams. Difference between infusions and decoctions. While both infusions and decoctions aim to extract the properties of herbs, the primary difference lies in the method and the type of herb used. Infusions are typically used for softer parts of the plant, like leaves, flowers, and soft stems. They are made by pouring hot or cold water over the herbs and letting them steep. Decoctions involve simmering tougher plant materials, such as roots, bark, or seeds, for a longer period to ensure that their dense structures break down and release their compounds. In short, herbal teas are essentially infusions, but with a shorter steeping time. A medicinal infusion, however, might steep for several hours to maximize the extraction of beneficial compounds. Different methods of making infusions. Hot infusions. Ideal for extracting aromatic compounds and other volatile components from flowers, leaves, and soft stems. Method. Pour boiling water over the herbs, cover, and let it steep for 10 to 30 minutes. Strain and drink. For a stronger infusion, let it steep for a few hours. Use cases. Herbal teas for relaxation, digestion, or general wellness. Compressors. Soak a cloth in the infusion and apply it to sore muscles or minor wounds. Cold infusions. Best for mucilaginous herbs like marshmallow root, which release a soothing, viscous substance in cold water. Method. Soak herbs in cold water for 6-12 hours, then strain. Use cases. Digestive soothers. Cold infusions can be more soothing for an irritated digestive tract. Skincare. Cold-infused herbs can be added to bathwater or used as a cooling facial splash. Solar infusions. Uses the sun's energy to extract properties from herbs, often used for gentle or magical purposes. Method. Place herbs in a glass jar, cover with water, and set in direct sunlight for several hours. This method is often used with aromatic flowers like chamomile or lavender. Use cases. Soothing skin tonics or relaxing bath soaks. Herbal sprays for mild sunburn or skin irritation. Lunar infusions. Infused under the light of the moon, particularly during specific lunar phases, often the full moon, this method is believed to harness both the herb's properties and lunar energy. Method. Place herbs in a jar of water and leave it outside overnight during a full moon. As cases. Ritual baths for spiritual cleansing. Magical potions or anointing waters in Wiccan or spiritual practices. Oil infusions. Uses oil as a medium to extract the beneficial components of herbs, particularly fat-soluble compounds. Method. Combine dried herbs with oil, like olive or coconut oil, and let it sit in a warm place for 4 to 6 weeks, shaking daily. Alternatively, a quicker method involves gently heating the oil with herbs for several hours. Use cases. Base for salves, creams, or balms. Massage oils for pain relief or relaxation. Vinegar infusions, often used for culinary or medicinal purposes, particularly to draw out minerals. Method. Combine herbs with vinegar and let it sit for 2-4 weeks. Use cases. Culinary purposes such as flavored salad dressings. Herbal hair rinses, especially those made with herbs like rosemary or nettle for scalp health. Tinctures. Alcohol-based infusions. While infusions are typically thought of as water-based, tinctures are also a type of infusion. In a tincture, alcohol acts as the solvent instead of water, making it a more concentrated and long-lasting form of an herbal extraction. How tinctures differ from water-based infusions solvent. In traditional infusions, water is used to draw out the herbal properties, while tinctures rely on alcohol, which is more effective at extracting a broader range of compounds, including resins, alkaloids, and some volatile oils that water alone cannot access. Strength and preservation. Tinctures are typically much stronger than water infusions, allowing for smaller doses to achieve the desired effects. Additionally, alcohol acts as a natural preservative, giving tinctures a significantly longer shelf life, often lasting years without spoiling. Preparation time. Water infusions generally take minutes or hours to prepare, while tinctures require a longer steeping time, usually around 4 to 6 weeks, to achieve full extraction. In short, tinctures are a potent, preserved form of herbal infusion, offering the convenience of longer shelf life and greater efficacy with smaller doses. They can be used similarly to water infusions, but are more concentrated, making them especially useful when a stronger, more targeted remedy is needed. And of course, glycerin tinctures are also a type of infusion. How to use infusions. Based on need medicinal teas, hot infusions of herbs like peppermint, chamomile, or lemon balm can be used to soothe digestive discomfort, alleviate stress, or aid sleep. Skincare. Cold infusions can be used in face washes, compressors, or as a cooling spritz for irritated skin. Cosmetic formulations. Oil or water infusions can be incorporated into creams, lotions, or salves for various skin benefits, such as calming inflammation or promoting healing. Bath soaks. Adding infusions to bath water enhances the bath's therapeutic effects, whether it's to relax, cleanse, or soothe the skin. Infusions offer versatile ways to harness herbal properties, whether for health, skincare, or even spiritual purposes. Mastering the different methods and understanding their specific uses can elevate one's herbal practice, providing holistic benefits across various aspects of life. And remember, every time you enjoy the benefits of an herbal tea, you are actually sipping the results of an infusion.